Evening guys, so I have a beautiful Stihl saw to show you this evening, one of my last in this particular range which I'm selling off. This is my Stihl 032 AVE, again another very well, the saws are becoming rarer, in fact much rarer, this model. So in the same family as this you had the 030, which was a that started life as a 45cc back in 1970. I've sold one of those recently. Then from 71 on you had the 031, which I sold recently as well. That's a 48cc. And then in 78 they launched the 032. So this one's a 51cc, and they state that these make around 3.5 horsepower, and they're a beautiful saw. So this is the AVE version, so it's the electronic quick stop. And it has the addition of the, I'll show it quickly, has the addition of the chain brake, and just a beautifully balanced saw. And again, all magnesium apart from the air filter cover. So I'll show it starting and idling, and then I'll take off just a couple of covers, show people the condition. It's in amazing condition, and I've also got a photograph. I took the exhaust off for another dealer to show the piston. The piston is unmarked and is beautiful. So this one's running a full chisel chain. It's running a Stihl hard-nosed Duramatic bar, which has got excellent symmetry, and it's a SARP, really high quality SARP branded chain. So it was interesting. So the 030s ran from a 13-inch to a 20. The 031s are from a 14 to a 20, and these again from a 14 to a 20, but just more power in the cut. Everything works: kill switch, choke, oiler, throttle lock. Hi guys, I hope that's mostly in shot. It idles beautifully. It starts literally first or second pull every time when it's been primed, and comes back to idle very fast. So I shall take off just a couple of covers. So it'll probably be very apparent when anybody looks at this saw that I've never cut with this saw, and depending on what time from 78 it was made, you know, it makes it maybe just over 40 years old. So it's in incredibly clean condition for that. Beautiful saw, undoubtedly becoming very collectible. So this one had, a little while back it had virtually brand new AV mounts. The other ones were okay, but just so it has brand new AV mounts on, new fuel pickup, just as a matter of course, plug, etc., just to make it run just perfect. And again, just this one kind of overlaps the model from when the 028 was introduced in 77, and it's interesting the design changes between those two models, you know, without having an adjustable oiler, etc., whereas this one has a fully adjustable oiler, which is really fabulous. Okay, so air filter cover, perfect. Air filter, metal mesh filter in great condition. It's pristine inside the carburettor bay. Throttle lock, everything working. No brakes on the top of the magnesium housing. So side cover, inner guide plate in great condition. The nylon chain catcher at the back. The shroud for the brake. Felling spikes, all fabulous. And okay, the obligatory bits of paint missing, but in great condition. Made in West Germany before the decline of the wall. And the bar, fabulous symmetry on the bar, great teeth life, mainly sharpening, but I haven't cut with it, so I cannot confirm that, but there's a load of life left in the chain. And onto the front, exhaust in great condition, handle in great condition. So nice to have the rubber on the handle. So many of those just deteriorate and get rotten over time. Stihl 032AV. And the pull start housing. Okay, I won't pull off the pull start housing, but it's in immaculate condition underneath. It's not, you know, there's no dirt in it to speak of. There's no fin damage that I can tell you about on the engine. It's all of it in great condition. And on the underside, I'll flip it over. That little screw there is the adjustable chain oiler, and the chain catcher is present as well. Okay, I'll quickly put the cover on, show a restart, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. I hope the pictures and the video does it justice. It really is in beautiful, beautiful condition. So again, I've had a few people asking about why some of these saws I'm not cutting with them. Well, the very simple answer for that is that, you know, chainsaws are my guilty hobby, and I love collecting older saws, and so when I get them like this and they're in pristine condition and they're between 40 and 50 years old, if I don't need to cut with them, I just won't cut with them. I love to keep them for show and just for my private pleasure. All the fasteners are present on the saw. I was going to show that as well at the back if I'm in shot, hopefully. Then the very, very recent AV mounts. Okay. Throttle lock, kill switch, compression. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope that's not too long-winded. She's a beautiful, beautiful vintage saw, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. Any questions, please just ask. Anybody wants to come and take a look, you'd be more than welcome. Bye for now.